Back to the ballgame.
Ay mag-ring yawa.
Bonus throw.
Hindi na internet dito.
Bonus throw.
May mga cellphone ba dyan? Baka huwag magpunta sa cellphone ba?
Nice.
We got the 3 points. 13-11. Minutes down, 4 minutes. Number 17 has the ball. Pass to number 22. That's number 2.
Box out.
Pass to 3. No good.
Rebound.
Rebound by
Nice.
number 12. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 4.
Nice!
Number 4 for 2 points. Pass back. Score 15-11.
Basta dadalhin na sa ano,
Minutes
transition
down,
ba?
2 minutes.
Guys, transition.
Number 18, pass to number 24.
Nice, nice, nice. Nice.
Pass to number 1. Number 17, pass to number 4. Pass to number 1. Pass to number
Nice pass.
14. 2 points by number 17. 11-17 score in favor of Enviro.
Palitan mo si ano si
Number 17, revealing the ball.
palitan mo si Jan.
Pass to number 21.
3 second violation.
Punta ka agad.
Enviro. Substitution. Substitution.
Nice, nice, nice.
Alright.
18
Kunin to bigyan.
Enviro. Number 4.
Oh, 3 second.
Bilang, bilang, bilang.
Nako, bitin.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Barangay Corporate Ball.
Same boy. Same boy.
Paano? Pang-noodle.
Embargo. Number 17, pass to number 1. Pass. Face.
Nice
Pass
one.
to number 5.
Ako.
Pass to number 17, pass to number 18.
Nice.
Two minutes. Minute time. 11-19 score. Favor of Enviro.
Tatlo.
Nice.
2 points.
Favorite ni Sean yan.
Oh, pass break.
Number 17.
Nice.
Intercepted by number 1. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Resets. Pass to number 4.
Nice.
Ako.
Good rebound by number 4. Pass to number 18. Number 18 has the ball. Pass to number 22. Pass for 3. No good.
Dalawa.
Number 5.
Hawak lang.
Sa gilid.
Pass to number 1. The minute time, 1 minute and 35 seconds.
Tatlong possession pa yan.
To number 4. Pass to number 17. Pass for 3. Strong.
Okay lang yan, okay lang yan. Sige lang, sige lang.
Barangay Corporate Ball. Score 21-11. Enviro. Remaining time.
10 pa. Habol pa kayo 10. Maintain nyo.
Una yan, 10.
Number 21, bring the ball.
Rep, alis ka dyan, rep.
Guys, the ball number 5.
Sige lang, baba mo na lang. Kulang.
Pass to number 1.
Nice pass.
Alright.
Number
Ganda pumasa talaga nitong batang to.
score 23-11. To number 17. Number 17. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 18.
Yun na,
2
nakabutas
points by
na.
number 18. 13-23 in favor of Enviro. Remaining time 50 seconds left. 45 seconds left.
Nice.
Stephen Allen.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Remaining time 39 seconds.
Dalawang possession pa yan.
Time, 39 seconds left. Score, 13-23. Number 21 with the ball. Number 21.
Grabe. Holding.
Foul number 17. Number 17, second personal foul. Third team foul and foul. Number 22 giving the ball. Pass to number 17, 5-4-3. No good because number 18.
Walang bumax out doon.
Jump shot. No good because number 5. 15 seconds left. Number 17, board 2 points.
Nice, Eton!
25-13. 10 seconds left. 10 seconds left. Number 21 drops to the basket. 2 points. 5 seconds left. 5 seconds left. Number 17.
Nice, Eton!
Foul number 21. Time. Free throw. Free throw na lang. Wala nang time. Boss na wala.
Nice one.
Wala sila, hindi sila nakakasabay. Takbo, marami tayo.
Lumot pa yun.
So number 1. Pass to number 2.
Baba lang.
Number 4. Giving the ball. Number 4. Drops to the basket. No good.
Nice.
Pass to number 1.
Hawak mo na, Bornok.
7. Pass to number 2. To number 1.
Ayos na.
Nice, Raymond!
Hey!
Ibang video na nun. Para hindi ako.
13-15 in favor of
Nice one. Sige lang,
Elvalo.
loob.
Pass to number 21.
Bumante. Rebound.
Hawak lang. Relax lang.
Nice.
Relax lang.
Nice,
Holding.
Sa atin bola. Sa atin bola. Baro.
Number
Nice, Bornok. Asal lang.
Asal lang, Nok. Marami na sa baba, huwag ka na tumalon.
foul number 24.
Nice one.
Then shoot.
Tama.
Pass to number 2. 5 to shoot. Pass
Nice na.
Takas.
Okay. One more corner ball.
Huwag ka nang mahiya. Nice.
Out of time.
Lel, tinagbalatan.
8 minutes and 52 seconds left for the second quarter. 27, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 2.
Labas ka, Nel.
Pass to number 3. Pass to number 4.
Grabe.
Gagawin by number 25. Barangay corner ball. Substitution. Number 70 out, number 18 in. Inbound ball. So number 4.
Pa-signal.
Meron ka?
Sayong ako nakakunik eh. Foul.
2 points counted. Foul. Number 15. Number 15 first. Personal foul.
Mas kamay lang.
Nakuha lang nag-box out.
Oy, box out. Box out na muna.
Wala nag-box out dun.
Pasukan mo na lang isa. Para may makaptakbo.
Score 17-30. First row, no
Baksaw
good.
isa?
Baksa di sa.
Meron na sa King Signal. Huwag mo na ibig magkalaban.
Huwag na yung video pag puta.
Out of bounds. Inbound ball. Minutes sa akin, minutes sa akin.
Pinalas na rin ano. Sal-sal ka siguro. Malayo pa ng Petro. Nagulat ko.
8 minutes.
Sabi saan ka na? Sa kwarto na ka? Sa kwarto ka na? Ha? Sa kwarto ka na ba?
Pass to number 1, pass to number 2, number 2 pass to number 6. No good. Rebound number 1, number 18, dribbling the ball. Pass to the basket. Pass. 2 balls back.
Tas kamay lang, Mel. Dime, tugtog na.
Pasa. Nice! Si Mr. Highlights. Na-zoom in ka yan! Ay.
Number 18, third personal foul.
Practice kaya yan nilang araw.
18
Marito sa ato sa doon.
Number 2 in. 4-32-19. Ready for rebound.
Nakabutas.
Go.
Kanina pa yun.
Kaya nangaga mo dito ha.
7 minutes and 35 seconds.
Nice.
Out of bounds.
Rian, loob ka labas ka dalawa.
Number 15, bringing the ball. Pass to number 2.
Balik lang.
Nice. Nice.
Balik.
Nice.
Left. Ay!
Guys, guys. Bigay na agad.
Substitution. 24 out. 11 deep. Teams to bring the ball.
Pasa na.
Na. Dime, no? Shot.
Wala.
Gusto na agad.
Yun, no?
Bang!
Please.
Tawag. Kalaruin. Tawag.
Iba nga para tumingin. Para mawala. Kasi pag mixo.
Balik.
Ganda ng pwesto nun.
6 minutes left. 21-35 score.
Shot.
Number 2.
Nice one.
Nice.
No good.
Sayang.
Hey!
Labas ka na kayo, labas!
Abang, defense na, bawi.
21-35 in favor Number 21 has the ball. It drives to the basket.
Para limahan lang eh.
Number 15.
Penalty na.
Number 15.
Dalawa kasi 15.
Kaya nga.
Dapat isa lang. Yung sinabi ko sa mami pag may jersey na tayo maganda na yan.
Nako. Daming ano, lost possession. Huli. Nice. Pasa. Malinis na yan. Pagadpan. Dumidikit.
Substitution. Number 15. Number 3 is Barangay Corporate Ball. Barangay Corporate Ball. Remain time 4 minutes and 12 seconds. For second quarter. Number 1, Kamshat. Number 21. Goku.
Nice. Hindi ko nga lang na ano. Hindi ko nga lang na zoom in.
Yung naka ano na
Love ko. Nasaan na ikaw? Pato ka na?
13 fouls.
Buti kumonek tapos biglang nawala. Yung na signal yan.
No good for the Bulls. Pass to number 21. No good. Rebound by number 12. Minutes and 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Score 29-37 in favor of Bayo. Number 2. And 2 fouls by number 12. 39-29 in favor of Bayo.
Yan, baba na yan.
We have a game for girls, Spartan versus Hunter. 7 p.m.
Trabaho ko.
Last touch.
Ayan, taga-video.
Invaluable. Minute time, 3 minutes and 57 seconds. 29-39. Cover out by Mr. Longley. Barangay Corporate Ball. 3 minutes and 19 seconds left for the second quarter. Score 39-29 in favor of Invaluable. Number 21, Ugana Pangalanti. 5 for 2. 2 balls for number 21.
Wala signal.
Number 27,
Lakas.
Alabama. 100 ball.
Ano score? 30?
Number 1, dribbling the ball.
Nice.
More 2 points by number 5. Score 41-31 in favor of Empire. Number 8 to the basket. No good. Rebound.
Hawak, hawak.
Number 2.
Wala nang
Basket.
Nice.
2 points by number 2.
Kumobi.
Score 43-31. Very well in battle. Number 2 has the ball. Number 2 to behind back. Back to number 21. Number 21 back to the basket. 2 points by number 22. 33-43. 2 minutes and 17 seconds for the second quarter. Number 27. Number 12 to basket. And again foul. Foul number 1. Timeout by Guy Butler. Running for 2 minutes and 4
Sino?
seconds left. For the second quarter.
Kasi chef, may nampang na siya po. Nakatira na naman. Pasok.
First throw is good. Second throw ready for rebound.
Nice.
Number 21. Number 21 on the ball.
Halubog!
2 points by number 21. Score
Parang Joe, ano yun, umi-Eric yun ah.
1 minute. Then shoot.
Tangin ng tres yan. Tangin ng tres yan.
Number 27 for 2 points. Foul. Foul. Foul number 4. Penalty.
Sanchez.
36 seconds. First throw is good. Second throw.
Isa ba?
Another ball. Remaining time 1 minute and 33 seconds left.
Huli!
Number 21 dribbling the ball. Pass to number 24. Number 4. 2 points for number 4. 37-48 in favor of Empire. A minute left and 15 seconds.
Pasa yung pasa.
Last 1 minute. Number 21.
Wala yun. Wala, bumutas na.
58 seconds left. 40-48 score. And zero. Number 27.
Huli. Lakas. Takbo.
45 seconds left. And intercepted by number 4. Number 21 has the ball. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Pass to number 21.
Grabe, 3 seconds.
3 seconds.
Hindi pa kasi tinira eh.
Nice defense!
Zion, 2 points.
Nice defense!
15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds.
Grabe.
Traveling. 11 seconds left. 11 seconds left. 11 seconds left.
Gilid!
Number 21, pass for 3. No good. Good, good, good. Pass for 3. Time.
Destroyers.
Number 8 has the ball. Number pass to number 17.
Ay, sorry. Yun yun. Malakas din yun.
Sino ba yung housekeeping namin na ganyan-ganyan yun, pati yung muka? Box, sino yung housekeeping natin na yun? Yung mahilig mag-wash ng ano, yung bulol sa R? Yung mahilig mag-wash ng shower? Yung ka-agency natin?
2 points for number 48-42 in San Rafael Bayou. Number 5, pass to number 12. Number 10, number 3, by number 18. Number 18, pass to number 2 to the basket. No good rebound by number 8. Number 8, dribbling the ball. Number 17.
Huli. Nice. Bola yun ah. Diba? Parang bola yun eh.
Number 8. Second personal foul for Steve Brown. Number 14 has the ball. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Foul! Number 13. Substitution. Number 1, Steve. Number 14 out. Number 14.
Yan mo na.
14. Second has to shoot.
Nice!
Good rebound by the ball.
Wala yun. Ayun, maganda.
Number 2 for 2
Sumok touch.
points. 48-45. 48-45. Is General and Viro. Number 17.
Hey!
Ako.
Pass break! Nasa pass break daw!
Fourteen to shoot. 14 to shoot. 61-55. 50 seconds left. 15 seconds left for third quarter. Number 18, pass to number 1, and pass to number 21, number 21, pass to number 1, pass to number 17, deep by 3, no good. Rebound by
Nice foul.
number 12.
Sino ba na?
The ball. 30 seconds left. 15 to shoot.
Baba!
Two balls by number 21. 11 seconds left.
11 seconds pa yan.
left.
Haba yan.
5 seconds left.
O, sayang. Putang ina ko pumasok yun. Time.
Dito ito to.
Dada yung pula. Invaluable.
Ay, nako.
Invaluable. Invaluable pass number 3. Number 3 pass to number 3.
Nice one ka!
Number 18. Number 18 to the basket. No good. Rebound by number 4.
Ako.
Receive na lang, receive. Len, pasa mo sa nagre-receive ng bola.
Kuha.
Number 17, pass to number 20.
Nice.
Number 5, 2 points.
Hoy, next time, huwag magalawin yung kan. Hindi counted yun.
Score
Sa amin hindi.
63,
Pag nagagalaw yung...
57.
Oo, kasi kan nga. Parang...
Number 4, dribbling the ball.
Hindi nagka-counted yun.
Pass to the second by number 5 pass. Number 17. Pass to number 1. Number 1. 2 points by number 1.
Nako.
63-59. Pass to number 27.
Nice one, yun!
2 points by number 27.
Yan, baka
65.
siya dapat baka
59. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. Remaining time. 15 to shoot. 15 to shoot. Number 18 has the ball. 10 to shoot. He passes the 3. Short. 2 points by number 17. 65-61 score. 8 minutes and 30 seconds left for third quarter.
Ay, ang lakas!
Sobrang lakas.
Hindi siya aborde yan ha.
Ano ba?
Hindi si Mariano yan!
Number 4 has the ball. Pass to number 21.
Kunin mo yan!
Aras, aras!
Number 21.
Lumakap.
Traveling violation by number 21. Invite the ball. 65-61 score.
Hindi, kunin mo muna, Bruno!
Number 27 pass to number 25.
Nako.
Nice one, Kalop!
Foul.
Pass to number 27.
Yun!
Hold it down.
Hindi na babala na, babala.
Labas na, labas na. Labas mo na, bossing. Labas mo na, Benjo. Labas mo na para hindi mainit. Labas mo na para hindi mainit.
Two free throw and ball position. Number 25.
Para hindi mainit.
Number 25 out. Number 5 in.
tinisa mo pag ganyan.
Two free throws and ball
Nangyari
position.
nun?
Relax na, relax mo na, relax mo na.
Dapat sinapak mo.
First throw is good. First throw is good.
Simsim lang naman pala ng tawag. Sana, ginanon mo na.
And ball position. 65-64. Number 21 has the ball.
Sipit.
Pass to number 4. Number 4.
Nice one.
Out of bounds. Invite the ball. Labas muna, labas muna.
Pula, pula.
Number 3 has the ball.
Nako, na double dribble.
Double dribble. Number 3. Timeout! Barangay Corporate.
Sila man nila
Number
sana.
17 has the
Namili
ball.
yata.
Pass to number 21. Number 21.
Nice one, nice one.
Good ball. Number 27.
Hawak.
Nice one.
Pasa.
Pass to number 3. Number 3 has the ball. Pass to number 27.
Baba, tol, baba, tol.
Good ball to number 1.
Sige, sige, sige.
Hawak.
Mataas ang ring. Nagtutuwa naman siya.
Depensa, depensa. Dipit lang, dipit. Nice one, nice one. Nice one, nice one.
For the shoot. 2 points by number 4.
Lapit, lapit kasi.
65-64. Remaining time 7 minutes and 10 seconds for the last quarter. Number 3 has the ball. Number 3 ball. Number 3 drives.
Nice one.
2 points by
Baba na.
67-64. Remaining time 6 minutes and 57 seconds for the last and final quarter.
Nice, nice. Kuha. Takbo. Oh, hawak. Ayan na. Pakapit. Nice.
69-64.
Trap.
Number 18 has the ball. Number 18, pass to number 1.
Halos lang.
Number 1 to the basket. Sobrang laki.
Pasa! Araro na!
Go!
Malakas!
Sobrang laki.
Baba!
Got the ball. Number 18, dribbling the ball.
Bango ah. Saan yun?
Number 18, spin to number 1.
Nice! Burno!
Uy!
Nice!
Lalabanin ka! Nice ang burlok! Lalabanin pa yung pag-uwi natin! Nakabelo na!
Kaya yan?
Pag nakabelo yun.
Boy! Lapitan nyo na agad yun! Istapin nyo yun, nakabelo! Palap mo na!
Labas!
Labas ka, Nel! Labas na, burlok! Nice one!
Yun! Hustle play. Time out.
By quarter?
Hindi, putol-putol yan.
Technical, 22. Isang video lang lahat yan?
Hindi, iba-iwalay nga. Ano na to, pang-apple na to. Anong pangalan ng ano yung sinasabi niyong bulol sa S?
Si
Hindi man standard yun, Sel.
si Norby.
Si Norby, ayan o, si Norby ano?
Si Norby ba? Si Norby?
Ayan o, si Norby. Di pala laro pala ng basketball niya?
Oh, harap na, man-to-man na sila.
Score 68-73.
Atras ka lang, Nel.
5 minutes. Number 27.
Ay! Hindi, tumama sa kamay ah. Kita talaga sa video, tumama sa kamay.
Number 2 got the ball. Number 2 drives to the basket.
Papa.
Rebound by number 3. Number 3 pass to number 5.
Nice!
Only got it now.
Hindi kita magtutulagin ng trolley bukas. Sige na lang.
For the last quarter.
Oh.
Lakas mo pa. Pasay mo na.
Ayan, malis din. Ito nakaharang.
Lakasan mo lang. Yung lagpas sa board.
Lundag mo konti. Nice one.
So, rebound by number 4.
Nice one. Ayan.
Nice one, Jeff!
Number 5 pass to the basket.
Hey!
Nice one, Nasir!
In favor of the battle.
Sige, wag ka na magtulak ng trolley.
4 minutes.
Uli.
Pass to number 4.
Gini to.
Si Norby!
To the basket. Pass
O, si Norby ba ito yan?
Puta
si Norby, oh.
22.
Para si Bernard ka, tama si Bernard ba?
4 minutes and 20 seconds.
Nako. Sumama sa pa.
Hoy, oras! Oras ba? Huwag kayong magpadali.
17.
Hindi kayo nakabal ng scores. Yan, kunin mo na to. Kunin mo na yan, yan.
For the last quarter. Number 4 to the basket.
Yung puto ta.
Rebound again, number 4.
Out of bounds.
Out of bounds, number 4. Invaluable. Invaluable.
8 seconds yan. Hawak lang.
Number 27.
Ganda.
Short.
Ganda sana.
70-25. 72. Number 21.
Ayun na naman siya. Nice.
Nel, babalay Nel.
Ay na pala, humandar na pala.
Nice!
Baba.
Laso. Isa lang bababa sa inyong dalawa. Mga reba.
Nice. Ay,
Nice one, Kebs. Good.
ako na 3 seconds ka.
Oo, di siya madalas yun.
Barangay Corporate Ball. Once again, remaining time 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 75-70 score. Pass to number 21. Number 21 attempt for 3. Short. Rebound by number 12. Number 12.
Nako, nahuli.
By number 1. He drives to the basket. And he draws a foul. Number 18. Number 18, number 21. Drives to the basket. And he...
Bola.
2 minutes and 27 seconds for the last and final quarter. Score 6, 70, 75. Number 1.
Nice. Ah,
Pass to number 18. Number 18. Number 18 to the basket.
lakas. Over the
Shoot
backcourt.
from out of bounds. Time out. Barangay. 6 seconds for the last and final quarter. Number 1, dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 2. Number 7.
Taas. Wala.
2 points by number 21. Remaining time, a minute and 26 seconds. 25 seconds. Number 17. Dribbling the ball. Number 17. 3 seconds violation by number 12. Barangay Corporate Ball. Remaining time, a minute and 36 seconds left. Score 75-72. Number 21, dribbling the ball, drives to the basket.
Nice.
By number 17. Pass to number 5. Number 5.
Yo!
Pass to number 17. Pass to number 18. And pass to number 2. Almost. Got the ball number 18 to Vida. Rebound by
Pasa.
number 5.
Ako.
Abordo! Ganito kapit ng bola.
59 seconds left.
Tang sa akin kahit kung hindi makakakuha bola yun eh.
Lapit, lapit! 50 seconds left. 50 seconds left.
Nice. Wah, Asel. Asel, Asel.
30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. Number 17. 2 points by number 17. 20 seconds left. 15 seconds left. 10 to shoot. 10 to shoot.
Wala na shot clock, oh.
Once again, 11 seconds left. 11 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, Barangay.
Gitna lang, gitna.
Number 4.
Kaya nyo na lima yan.
Number 21. Right to the basket, pass to number 17. Pass to number 2. Pass to number 8.
Guys, 3-second violation.
3 seconds violation.
Pwede nyo na pag-graduate yan, no? For personal na yung 21 yata.
Seconds left. Magandang laban. Ngayon, mga kaibigan. Unang.
Kuha kayo ng bola. Magpapalala tayo eh. Yan siya.
5 for 3.
Nice.
By number 12. 77-75 score. In favor of Empire. Number 21.
Kabiling! Kabiling!
Traveling violation by number 21. Philippines, sir. That's the regular position.
Nalalason na siya.
Number 1, dribbling the ball. Number 1, dribbling the ball.
Hey, Gilbert. Look ka sa taas. Taas ka, taas ka.
Number 17.
Pataas.
Barangay go red ball.
Ginaba pa.
Barangay go red ball.
Kaya dito.
Inbound. Inbound ball. Pass to number 2. Number 2, dribbling ball.
Nice!
Intercepted by number 27. Number 27.
Two.
To the basket.
Yo! Nice! Eh, lasunin niya na. Gusta, putang ina, pinag-overtime niyo pa eh.
Oras, oras.
75.
Oras lang. Lapit.
44 seconds.
Ilang possession lang yun.
3 minutes left for the overtime.
Pasa.
Rebound number 17.
Dalson.
15 seconds mo. Wala sure ball na yun. Nice!
Number 21. Number 21 to the basket. Turn around.
Nako.
2 points by number 21. Sorry, Seagull to number 21. Number 5. That's number 1. Remaining time. 5 minutes and 5 seconds left for the extra time.
Nice! Mainit pa rin si Burlok ah.
81.
Ari ko, putang awit na ako.
Hingin bola sa number 21.
Shot clock. Ay, nabilis. Yun! Depensa! Depensa! Oh, salo! Bola oh!
Time 2 minutes and 15 seconds left for
Kulang mo.
14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Intercepted by number 21.
Wag na!
2 points by number 21. 1 minute and 52 seconds left for the extra time. 83-81 score. 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Intercepted by number 70. Number 70 goes to cross. Drive.
Nice! Good!
4 seconds left. A minute and 24 seconds left.
Nice!
First free throw shoot. Once again, a minute and 24 seconds left for the bonus score. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. The team leader score 85-89.
Nice!
Now, number 17. Remaining time. A minute and 18 seconds. A minute and 18 seconds left. Number 21 has the ball. Number 21 has the ball. Pass to number 1. Pass to number 21. Take the shoot. Pass to number 17. Pass to 3.
Wala.
Pass to number 1.
Bola lang! Oras!
59 seconds left.
Sige mo na.
14 to shoot.
Nice! Nice!
47 seconds left.
Yun! Good! Oras! Hawak!
Number 27 has the ball. 15 to shoot.
Yan!
Seconds na lang. Wala na foul.
Inbound ball.
Nice! Nice! Oras!
30 seconds left.
Tapos na yun. Huwag yan na yun. Huwag yan na itira. Ayan.
Wag na, tol. Wag na.
30 seconds na lang yan.
Wag na, yan na.
5.
Sino?
5 for 3.
Okay.
Good.
Okay.